everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from Charlotte's House. I am sitting amongst so many gorgeous faux flowers, and I have some fall plans for them. Stay tuned. I am so thrilled to be working with Joanne this season, and you will not believe the array of gorgeous faux flowers they have. So I want to fix up my shed. I bought one of these carvable pumpkins, and every season one of my favorite things to do is to make a flower arrangement out of a pumpkin, but they last for about a week. So I am thrilled to have a faux pumpkin, faux flowers. I'm going to show you how you can make the most gorgeous fall arrangement that will last you all season. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to get your carving knife. Anything will work. This is just the way you would carve a normal pumpkin. Let's get started. I'm using just a Phillips head screwdriver. These are hollow, and then I have a regular pumpkin carving knife. How easy is that? See what the inside looks like? It is hollow. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around with the balance of my planter. And what I love about working with artificial flowers is that you can bend them and spread them out a lot easier than real flowers. So this one, I've already bent the stem, and I have some of this desert foam in case I need a little help arranging flowers, but I certainly don't need it to help keep them watered. And I think I might be able to work without it. If I can help it, I try not to cut the stems of these flowers. If I can fit them in the planter all bent, I do. That way I can reuse them another time and have that same flexibility. So I'm really folding this back on itself because I want this guy just draping over the side. And in general, when I am putting together a flower arrangement, I just am looking for balance. I want to make sure that the planter is balanced as far as height, as far as colors, types of flowers. This is my biggest arrangement. So I'm going to really fan out these flowers. And again, I would rather bend the flowers than cut them. I have some of this amazing faux, I don't know, I guess they would call it a faux eucalyptus. And I'm hoping that these will be my height. So now that I have all my flowers placed, this is when I'm going to bend the stems and sort of make sure that the arrangement works for me. Now I'm going to step back and take a look. From far back, you would never be able to tell that these are artificial flowers. I added these berries, which I think are a nice height, and then this bundle of wheat. I just thought that these might be nice just to add a little bit of texture, and some of these I may trim down. I'm just going to stick these in sort of haphazardly. It's important to sort of step back every once in a while because you just can't see the balance when you're right on top of it. So to help decorate my planters outside, I've picked up some of these little, they're just wooden sticks with some wire, and it means that I can turn anything like a pine cone. I've wrapped the wire around, so now I can use this to help me decorate. And then I also have some of these faux, just foam pumpkins that I've put some sticks in. And so I'm hoping that I can use these to decorate my outside planters.